Hi, my name is Allie. I run Greenwich Mystics, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 adjustable wire rings from the same gauge in under 10 minutes. Like and subscribe, and let's get started. You'll need round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, flush cutters, and a ring mandrel. I'll be using 18 gauge dead soft wire, but you can opt to use any gauge and any metal variety you would like. Here are some gauges I recommend, specifically for adjustable rings. So this first one, I'm cutting about 8 inches. It will depend on the ring size that you're going to make. And I'm going to create a loop with my round nose pliers. And with this kind of ring, you can make as many center loops as you want. Like you can make it really thick, or you can just have one. I'm just going to make it one. And sometimes with these, you might have to clip some more off if it's not evenly centered, or put it back on the mandrel and resize it. So when I make these in batches, which they're really easy to make at in-person events, you can sell these for super affordable prices. I try to measure out the sizes and then clip them before I batch make them. So I just had a pile of 4 rings, a pile of size 7. So that's something to keep in mind if you're going to make a lot of these. The next one, you'll need a little bit more than the previous, and we're going to start from the middle. And you can use your round nose pliers, your fingers. I'm going to use my flat nose pliers to help straighten it out a little bit. You can also use a mandrel. This would be a fun one to hammer and add some texture to, but you're going to shape it to the mandrel. And then clip the 2 open ends even sizes and make them loops. And then for the next ring, this part, we're going to make a loop right here, and this part is going to be the side of the heart that is going to get wrapped around the ring band. And this is the size of the heart is just going to depend on the ring size, what wire gauge you're using. But I like to start with the far right side. And then we're going to form the middle part, pinching the wire. It's going to look a little funky for a second. Grab our round nose pliers, straighten this out a little bit. And you can make the ring like skinny or round. And just making sure both sides are as even as possible. And then going ahead and wrapping that short end around the long band. When you clip it, try to clip it on the side that's going to be exposed and not touching the skin, and making sure that it's nice and flush and it isn't going to scrape any skin. And of course, make a loop. You'll also want to kind of shape the heart to the mandrel and make sure that it'll sit flush and more naturally on a curved finger. And then just make any adjustments that you need. And that is it. That is 3 ring styles in under 10 minutes with the same gauge. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions for future tutorials. Check out my Amazon affiliate links down below for tools that I actually use. Shop my website, follow me on social media, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!